The V3 Carbon Fiber Pro blends the best of both worlds, classic V3 styling and carbon fiber outer construction. The V3 Carbon Pro features full carbon fiber composite shell construction. The Carbon Pro weighs 2.5 pounds, which makes it the lightest Fox helmet made. 10 intake and 4 exhaust vents for maximum cooling and ventilation, as well as dual venting channels, which are built into the shell and EPS liner for enhanced airflow. And lastly, removable and washable CoolMax Comfort Liner. And lastly, DOT and Snell approved.